Hi everybody, it is Tuesday, March 1st, and here's our do now. Go pull out your periodic table. It is on slide 3 or 4 in your digital notebook, and find tungsten on the periodic table. It's a little tough. Yep, okay, so what's its atomic mass? Oh, that's right, some of you found that. Okay, it has an atomic mass, and that's the number in the bottom of 183.8. And we're going to take that. I'm going to make these a little bigger so you can see them. Okay, 183 is its AMU. But I'm going to round that to 184 AMUs. And you said, oh, that it's protons. You said that its atomic number is 74. It's atomic number, which is also equal to the number of protons and the number of electrons. All right, so we take that, so I have 74 protons.
Attention, everybody left in the building.
So, sorry for the interruption. So we have protons, 74 protons. All right, how many neutrons does it have? Well, here I take 184 and I subtract 74. And that's going to give me, oops, let's make this like a number sentence. That's going to give me 110 neutrons. So how many electrons does it have? Well, we said right here that that's 74, so that's the same. So today we're going to demonstrate your understanding of the structure of atoms of protons, neutrons, and electrons, name the particles, describe their locations, their charges and masses, and determine their identity. So this is from our digital notebook. This was a drag and drop we did together. So just a quick review. Remember, the two outer rings, they could be more, are our electron cloud, and our electrons live there, and they have a negative charge. Here's our nucleus. I got the little blue tag close to that center gray thing. And I labeled the neutrons green and the protons gray. And I put, to keep everything consistent, I put my protons, the plus, on the gray, so you knew that that was the same. All right, that's very good. So, there's the blank, so we can do that together. And here is our filled out. I'm going to duplicate this slide so we can fill it out together. I'm going to duplicate that one so we can fill one of these out together. So we're going to click in here. So we're going to put a text box. We're going to put a big old text box here. All right, and then our proton, yes, it has a positive charge. And it has a mass of 1 AMU. Remember, AMU is that funny thing, the atomic mass unit. That's how we measure things. And let me just make this a little bigger so you all can see that when you're watching this. Okay, get rid of one of the tabs. There we go. And where is it located in the atom? Yep, you got in the nucleus. All right, so we're going to come down to our neutron, and that has a neutral. Remember, first 5 letters of neutron? And it is also 1 AMU in mass. Oop, not amusement park, AMU. That's funny. And it is also in the nucleus. So remember, we take our charge from the nucleus. So if I'm neutral and then I'm positive, my nucleus is always positively charged, and my nucleus value is always what my protons are. So my electrons they have a negative charge. They're that weird fraction, so we say they're 1/8 AMU, or almost 0, and that they are found in the electron cloud. Cut that. Let me put that over there. Control X. Control V. There you go. The electron cloud. So there you have it. Here's our worksheet all filled out. So helpful hint, remember that our atomic number, our protons, and our electrons are all the same number. So if it's 74, it's 74 for each one of those. And then remember, our man part is the mass number. Subtract the atomic number. It gives us our number of neutrons. So today you're going to graph your score onto slide 5 of your digital notebook, and you're going to put that under 8.5a. And that's going to say 8.5a quiz. So you make sure that that's the one you put under. If you didn't finish the Addams Family worksheet, do that. Make sure you don't have any missing work. There's a lot of people missing our Ed puzzles, so please get those. And then there's an enrichment challenge, which the link will be in Schoology if you get that far, but I'd rather you do the late work. Please remember, all late work is due this Friday. So I'm going to add that all late work due 3/4/22 by end of school day. We want to make sure everybody remembers that because that's really important, so that we have the chance to grade it and we can get your grades all settled before the weekend. So please make sure you are, you've got that all taken care of. Highlighter, let's highlight that in blue. Oop, maybe not so much. Button light yellow. Oop, maybe not. You know, I'm going to make my print black so we can see that. There we go. All late work is due. So that's just a reminder for everybody. All right, we will see you all tomorrow. Oh, and here's our, and there we go.